Welcome to this session on overcoming fear of speaking English. In this course, we will gently move from feeling scared to speak to feeling confident enough to try one small sentence. You do not need perfect English to start. You only need the courage to try. Speaking fear is normal, and we will build your confidence step by step in a safe way. Remember, mistakes are part of learning, and that is completely okay. Let's understand why we fear speaking English. There are three main reasons. First, fear of judgment. You might think, will they think I made a mistake? Second, your mind goes blank. Words suddenly disappear from your memory when you need them. Third, perfectionism. You feel that your English is not perfect enough to speak. These fears are completely normal. Almost every English learner feels them. You are not alone in this journey. When fear shows up, your body gives physical signals. Your heart races. Your hands become sweaty and you feel tension across your body. Your voice shakes or becomes very quiet. You feel butterflies in your stomach before speaking. These are all normal stress signals. Your body is simply preparing to do something challenging. This is okay. You can move forward even while feeling nervous. These physical reactions do not mean you cannot speak. They just mean your body is alert and ready. Our thoughts deeply affect our confidence. There are three common thought patterns that block your speaking. First is all or nothing thinking. You think, if I make one mistake, my English is bad. This turns every small slip into total failure. Second is mind reading. You assume everyone is judging your pronunciation. But most people are focused on understanding you, not judging you. Third is catastrophizing. You think if I pause, the whole conversation will be ruined. But pausing is normal and gives you time to think clearly. Remember, thoughts are not facts. They are habits of the mind. When you notice these patterns, you create space to choose kinder, more helpful thoughts. Now let's replace fearful thoughts with helpful ones. Instead of thinking, if I make one mistake, my English is bad, think, mistakes are normal and they help me learn. Instead of everyone is judging my pronunciation, think, most people are focused on understanding me, not judging me. Instead of, if I pause, the conversation will be ruined, think, pausing is normal and gives me time to think clearly. Instead of, I must speak perfectly, or I should not speak at all, think, progress matters more than perfection, and I can try and improve. Practice these replacement thoughts quietly in your mind whenever the old fearful thoughts appear. Over time, your mind will shift toward these kinder perspectives. Now let's take action with 4 small steps. First, speak to yourself. Practice alone before speaking with others. There is no judgment, just your voice. Describe your morning routine out loud for 2 minutes. Second, use simple sentences. Start with short, clear sentences. Complexity comes later. Say, I like tea instead of trying a long explanation. Third, record and listen. Record yourself speaking for 1 minute, then listen without harsh judgment. Talk about your favorite hobby and notice what went well. Fourth, practice with safe people. Choose kind listeners who support your learning journey. Speak with a supportive friend or family member first. These small steps remove the pressure and build your confidence naturally. Confidence grows when you practice regularly, even in small ways. Daily practice wins. Speaking for 5 minutes daily is better than 2 hours once a week. Consistency is more powerful than intensity. Focus on progress over perfection. Pay attention to improvement, not flawless performance. Small gains add up over time. Celebrate small wins. Each time you speak, you are building courage. Notice your progress. When you track even tiny improvements, you stay motivated. Over 4 weeks of regular practice, your confidence can grow from 20% to 85%. Each small practice session is like adding a brick to your confidence foundation. Fear will sometimes rise during your speaking journey. Here are 3 strategies to handle these moments. First, pause and breathe, taking 3 deep breath signals to your body that you are safe. Breathe in for 4 counts, hold for 4, then breathe out for 4. Repeat this cycle. Second, slow down your pace. Speaking slower gives you time to think and calms your nervous system. Imagine you are explaining something important. Use that pace. Third, use pause fillers. Words like let me think, and natural pauses are completely normal. Native speakers use them too. You are in good company. There is also a powerful grounding technique called the 5-4-3-2-1 technique. Name 5 things you can see, 4 things you can touch, 3 things you can hear, 2 things you can smell, and 1 thing you can taste. This brings your mind back to the present moment and reduces anxiety. Here is a simple routine you can repeat every day. Spend just 15 minutes daily on 3 mini practice blocks. First block, morning self-talk. Talk about your day plans in simple English sentences. For example, say, "Today I will work, cook dinner, and call my friend." Second block, afternoon quick review. Choose 3 useful phrases and say each one several times. Practice phrases like, "Could you repeat that? 1 moment please and let me think." Third block, evening reflection. Describe 1 moment when you used or wanted to use English. Say, "I wanted to speak, but I stayed quiet. Next time I will try 1 sentence." Keep each block short and simple. Speak out loud, not only in your head. Focus on effort, not perfection. Repeat this routine many days and fear slowly loses its power. Confidence is a daily habit. Remember 3 key truths as you begin your journey. First, mindset matters. Notice fearful thoughts and replace them with kindness. Second, take action. Start small, practice daily, and build momentum. Third, persistence is essential. Fear will come and go, but keep practicing anyway. Speaking English is a skill, not a talent. Skills grow through repetition and self-compassion. Every sentence you speak, even a small one, is progress. Be proud of your effort. Start your 15-minute daily routine today. In 2 weeks, you will feel the difference. Your journey from being scared to speak to confidently trying 1 sentence begins now. You have everything you need. You are brave enough to try.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.